What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got like the first kind of mod for the Focus. I don't know if it's really a mod. I mean, it's kind of one, but it's gonna be pretty nice little thing. I'll show you here in a minute. All right, so what I got here is this little like 2-inch long antenna that replaces this long one up here. I got it from Panda Motorworks. It was like $6. So it's just a little thing, not much change, but it's nice because that big antenna is so long. So we're gonna change this. All right, so we're gonna take this off. Frick. Oh man, there we go. Set that here. We'll come around here. Oh, whoops. Wasn't looking where the camera is pointing. There we go. And just like that, boom, it's on. It's gonna look a lot nicer now. Won't look like an RC car anymore. And let's put these away. So thanks for watching the video. It was not long, it was just a little thing, but it's cool to see. Anyways, if you like that little antenna, check it out on Panda Motorworks. I'll put a link to the website in the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.